When you're doing a 1031 exchange, you need to identify your replacement property within the first 45 days after the date of the relinquished property closing. Most people use the simplest and easiest rule, which is called the 3-property rule. However, if you're going to be identifying a DST, a Delaware Statutory Trust, you should be mindful that that trust may be a portfolio of multiple properties. And by identifying it, you may breach the 3-property rule because its components exceed 3 properties. And some people are just using that third slot on their identification form, that open slot, for an insurance policy, just trying to identify something just in case the first 2 don't work out. By sliding a DST into that slot, you could blow the 3-property rule if that newly added DST is comprised of multiple assets. There's an easy workaround. Instead of using the 3-property rule, you could use the 200% rule, but in that case, you need to make sure that the value of all of your identified properties doesn't exceed twice the value of what you sold.